This 5-minute solution will show you how to join Roblox Bedwars Discord server. Open your Discord and scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Add a Server. Click on Join a Server. In this invite link box, type here discord.gg/ capital Z R X G X 9 Q B V H and click on Join Server, and then you will jump into Bedwars Discord server. Here you have to verify your Discord account, then you will be able to easily use this server. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.